Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I just thought, why don't I do a little giveaway for you all. I've been sorting through some of my palettes and I've just got absolutely loads and loads and loads, and I've got some duplicates as well. So I decided that one of my favourite ever palettes, and it's a Revolution palette, and it is this one, this old loved one here, and this is the Redemption Palette Iconic 3, which was a dupe for the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, and it's just got such lovely lovely shades in. So anyway, I've got a brand new one here, never been used, so I thought, why don't I'll let one of you win it. So carry on watching for details on how that can be won. So the palette is a mix of shimmers and mattes, and it's just a lot of warm rose gold shades, purpley mauvey shades. It's really really lovely. So I'll just swatch this on my arm and let you see the swatches. So here are the swatches. I ran out of space on my arms. This one's a bit untidy, so sorry, I hope you can see properly, but they are really really gorgeous, lovely and shimmery on the shimmers. So yes, so if you want to see this look, as I say, just carry on watching and don't forget, subscribe and hit the bell. See you all in a minute, guys. Right, so I've already got my foundation on, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, and I've got my brows done because I'm trying really hard to do them from now on. So I'm just going to prime my eyelids first. I'm using Revolution primer in here. Now, you'll have to bear with me because I'm filming on my phone instead of my iPad. I'm just trying it in a slightly different position and things, just sort of seeing what it's like. So I actually can't see myself on the screen because I've got a mirror in front of the phone, so I'm trying to look at it. So bear with. So I've not used this one, I don't think, before. I normally just use my collection Doodah concealer. This is really milky as well. I tried the there's another Revolution eye primer I tried, and that was the same sort of consistency as well, so I don't know if it makes your eyeshadow go on better. I'll maybe do a comparison video actually one time of the of this versus a versus the concealer, and see which we prefer. Right, so I'm just going to set my eyes with the palest shade here, which is this one. Don't know if it'll be too light. We'll have a go and see. So I'm just going to go into my crease with this shade here, this one. Well, I'm using it more as a transition, sorry, rather than crease. So coming lower into the crease, we will go in with this one here. So this one. And then just add a bit of that colour to the outer edge. and using a fluffy brush just to blend those colours together. Okay, so just going to add some colour to the lid, and I think first off I think we'll go in with this shimmery shade here. That's this one. I'm just going to put that onto the lid. Right, I think what we'll do is we'll take a bit of this deepest shade here and add a little bit of that to the outer V. Just smoke it out a little bit. And then just blend that together. If you're using a little bit of the crease colour, just blend that again. And then taking a bit of the palest shimmer colour and then adding that to the inner third. Right, so all I'm going to do now is I'm going to run some of the deeper colours underneath my lash line. So I'm just using this, which is actually it's actually a concealer brush, but I really like it because it's quite dense. So I'm going to go in with this shade here. And then going in with a bit of the deepest shade, just a tiny bit just on the outer edge of the lower line. And then just a little bit of the original crease colour. I don't know where I'm looking. I'm looking over here. I'm sorry, guys. And then just a bit of the crease colour. Just pop a little bit on that. Tap off the excess and just run it underneath the eyes just to blend it together. Right. I'm just going to go and pop on my mascara and liner, and then I'll be back in a minute. So I hope you enjoyed this finished look. I've just popped on a bit of bronzer, some Benefit blush, and some lipstick. It's an old L'Oreal one. There we go, one of the old Color Riche ones. It just gives a nice shine without too much colour. And I really, really like this look. Oh, my highlight that I used was from the Sleek palette, and I did a mix of this yellowy gold one mixed in with the pinky purple one, and I've just mixed those together, put it as a brow highlight, and also as my inner corner, and then popped it on all over for a bit of a glow. So to win yours, to be in with a chance with the giveaway, all you need to do is just hop on over to my Instagram account, which is at Lady Marwa Beauty, and if you follow me on Instagram, and then if you comment on the giveaway post, tagging 3 of your friends, and also like the post as well. So follow on Instagram, like the post, comment on it, tagging 3 of your friends. I will announce the winner on the 14th of June, and the winner will be announced here on YouTube. I'll probably pop a post on my Instagram directing you all back over here. So yes, there we go. I hope you've enjoyed this eye look. I am trying to be good and doing a few more looks now with my palettes rather than just showing you the palettes. Please do give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you all again very soon. Bye guys, and thanks for watching.